Ready to go outside, Joey? Huh? Ready to go outside? Hmm?
No.
Okay. Off to work we go. We have to fix a couple 24-inch suckles today. Should be fun. Ouch.
Are you driving or mine?
Oh, here. I can drive.
Can we get pipe now?
I don't think it's gonna fit on the trailer. You'll come back for it?
Yeah, we see you back for it.
Yeah. Sounds
Okay.
good.
Let's roll.
Unlatch me.
Toodles! I'll be back in a Jiffy Lube second. Vámonos! We got a big load on the back, so we better turn our Jake brake on. Yeah. We have arrived. I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
I found a problem, Bob.
Yeah, I see that. Has it got water in it?
Oh, that's got water, Bob. I got the wrong glove, Bob.
I'll go back. There's another shovel in the truck. So all you non-farmers or non-pilers out there, a suck hole is bad because it creates soil erosion. And if on a good farm like this, look how black the soil is. It's just powdery. So they want to try and save as much soil as they can. That creates higher yields, obviously, and but more profit. So then we come in here, fix it. See, that was the bad section, but we gotta take it back to here, and we're going to here. It's a nice, fun, sloppy mess. But now Bubbles is gonna go on that side and just dig that back. Instead of digging it into the next pipe, we're gonna dig it back that way. That helps it so that we don't tear up our pipe and have to go back another section. You know what I'm saying? Just getting our connections cleaned up, that way we can fabric around it. Bubbles is going ham in the excavator. Yep, you're good. See how much easier that makes it? It's money, dude.
Don't let me hit that.
Yeah. Okay, you should be good. You gonna knock some of these sides in back here?
You want me to go back to there?
Like a little bit, not much. Yep. That's just gonna make it easier so we can put this pipe's actually a 22-inch pipe. We're putting in 24. But that's just gonna make it easier because the circumference of the pipe's obviously bigger. Yep. Yep. You're doing great. So now he's just working on getting the bottom clay piece like that broke out of it. We gotta get it broke out. That way our pipe doesn't sit 2 inches above the other pipe. It's pretty basic, but I don't know. You either watch it or you don't. It's up to you, not up to me. You wanna make a swimming pool?
Yeah, well, dam it up and make a swimming pool. Or we can make an above ground river.
Hundreds of homes are underwater.
Do what?
Get this cleaned up and then it's probably down to shovel work.
Okay.
You hold that. Oh, I got it. Okay. Ah. Hey, I don't need a lift from you, son of Satan.
I asked if you needed me to hold it. I got it. Now you're down here. 99.
Yeah. 99 inches.
Is that centimeters? Kilometers? The bell in.
I don't care. It is a 22-inch pipe, so
You didn't get 24.
that's a 22-inch pipe. The clay is. You don't-
99. This piece ain't long. That's a pretty bad cut. I'll try and do it up.
Oh, we're still.
Oh no, you got it.
You really don't want to hit those edges.
No.
Walk it down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
I got it.
Okay. My end's good. What about your end?
Not good.
No?
Bad cut. We need to cut to the edge of that rib.
Okay.
Bang it down.
So we got our 24-inch pipe. Here's a shovel.
Okay.
Hooked into our 22-inch pipe, and it's also caved in a little, so it doesn't really match up. So we're gonna shove some clay pieces in.
This is getting replaced soon.
Yes, it is.
At least we hope.
We're gonna shove some clay pieces in like that, make it a nice tighter fit. We got our
It's like Tetris.
we got this in put in, our toilet paper put on it, and some clay pieces shoved around it. Now we just gotta do this side. Our excavator bucket's keeping it pushed down, or else it'd want to float on us, which that would not be good. Now we gotta put some toilet paper around it.
That is filled in nice.
Oh baby. Now we
got
just
water coming out here. Here, look. Boop. See, that ain't going nowhere.
Yep. Ain't gonna suck nothing once we put this toilet paper over it.
Nobody will know.
There you go. It's always better to have more TP than you need. Put this in nice and tight. Down in the bottom. Lay some more clay over it. Maybe, if we have it. That will do. It's real important that you don't let your pipe float, because then you just threw off all your grade that you have.
Oh, that grade.
You need your grade when you're doing big pipe. It's real important, because there could be a couple thousand acres that drain into this.
Couple thousand in a 24.
I don't know the configurations.
Yeah. Couple thousand acres into this 24.
Yep, she didn't move an inch.
Maybe a quarter.
He's getting some topsoil, good bedding material. Yep. And that is your finished product. Freaking landscapers. Oh. Just pull them off. Oh my.
Those things are stuck.
Yeah, they are. The water just glued them in there. Oh. Those muck boots don't muck no more.
They don't muck no more. Oh my god.
Goodness. We got all our suck holes fixed. Now we got some shop shenanigans to get work on. Got that to do and trailer to weld on out there. So, doodles.